Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy A30 smartphone. In this video, you learn how you can take a slow motion video in Samsung Galaxy A30 smartphone. First of all, open camera in your phone and click on video. Then next, click on slow motion. Now you can start recording a video. While recording this video, it will be like a normal video. See here, I have started the video. And I close the video. It is saved in gallery. I open it and playing the video now. Give all permission. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.